Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Isaiah 26 verses 3 to 4, you will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself, is the rock eternal. Psalm 37 verse 5, commit your way to the Lord, trust in him and he will do this. Jeremiah 17 verses 7 to 8, but blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. They will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the stream. Romans 15 verse 13, may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Psalm 56 verses 3 to 4, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you. In God, whose word I praise, in God I trust and am not afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Hebrews 13 verses 5 to 6, God has said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. So we say with confidence, the Lord is my helper, I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Nahum 1 verse 7, the Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in him. Psalm 118 verse 8, it is better to take refuge in the Lord than to trust in humans. John 14 verse 1, do not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.